This sweet brown fruit could be the missing piece in your daily diet. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about Sapodilla, also known as chiku. This soft sweet fruit is loved by many. But do you know its real health benefits and side effects? Let's find out together. What is Sapodilla? Sapodilla, commonly called chiku, is a tropical fruit with brown skin and a sweet grainy flesh. It grows in warm climates and is popular in many parts of Asia. People enjoy it fresh, in shakes, or as a natural sweetener in desserts. Its unique taste, something between a pear and a caramel flavor, makes it a favorite snack for both kids and adults. Nutritional value. Chiku is packed with important nutrients. It contains natural sugars, dietary fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, and small amounts of potassium and iron. This fruit is also a good source of energy, making it a great choice for a quick snack. Because of its fiber content, it supports a healthy digestive system while giving your body essential vitamins. Boosts digestion. One of the biggest benefits of chiku is better digestion. The fiber in this fruit helps prevent constipation and keeps your gut healthy. Eating it regularly can improve bowel movement and reduce stomach issues. It also has mild laxative properties, which support smooth digestion naturally without any chemicals. Good for energy. Chiku is naturally rich in healthy sugars such as fructose and sucrose, making it an excellent source of quick and sustained energy. These natural carbohydrates provide fuel for the body, which is why athletes, active individuals, and people needing an energy boost often enjoy chiku before or after physical activity. Unlike processed sugary snacks that can cause a rapid spike and crash in blood sugar, the natural sugars in chiku are combined with dietary fiber, which helps slow their absorption. This provides a steadier release of energy, helping you stay active and reducing sudden energy dips. In addition to its natural sugars, chiku also contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health, making it a nutritious choice when eaten in moderation. Supports immunity. Thanks to its vitamin C content, chiku helps strengthen your immune system. Regular consumption can help your body fight infections and common illnesses. It also contains antioxidants that protect your cells from damage, keeping you healthier overall. Good for skin and eyes. Vitamin A in chiku supports healthy skin and good eyesight. It helps keep your skin smooth and can slow down signs of aging. This vitamin is also important for maintaining clear vision, especially as you grow older. Side effects to know. While chiku is healthy, eating too much can cause problems. It is high in natural sugar, so people with diabetes should eat it in small amounts. Overeating may also lead to weight gain or stomach discomfort. Always enjoy chiku in moderation for the best results. So that was everything about Sapodilla and its amazing benefits. Add this tasty fruit to your diet in the right amount and enjoy its goodness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video.